Your GE dishwasher suddenly starts beeping non-stop, even when no wash cycle is running. Sometimes the machine pauses mid-cycle with repeated sound, while other times the beeping continues after the dishwasher appears finished. This usually happens because of door latch problems, interrupted wash cycles, water drainage issues, or temporary control panel glitches instead of a major mechanical failure. In many situations, the dishwasher is trying to alert you that something needs attention before it can continue operating normally. Before assuming the dishwasher is broken completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and stop the constant beeping. 1. Open and firmly close the dishwasher door to check the latch connection. 2. Press the cancel or reset button to stop the current cycle completely. 3. Disconnect the dishwasher from power for several minutes. Number 4. Check inside the dishwasher for standing water or drainage blockage. 5. Clean the filter area if food debris is preventing proper draining. 6. Restore power and start a short rinse cycle for testing. 7. Listen carefully to confirm the beeping stops during normal operation.